Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna share another new mesh gradient generator that literally looks awesome, really awesome. Now let me just share it because there's nothing much of an explaining portion of what is mesh gradient and all. Just let's just take a look over it, okay? So here we have our today's site that is Messi. Really good name, really good name because Mesh Gradient Messi, yeah, that's kind of a good. And and the thing is they have designed it in a really great way. Like it looks and feels so much more premium, right? And you can if you have selected one color, like here are four of those colors selected, you can totally randomize here, okay, and select other color schemes as well from the sidebar and randomize them as well, okay, that is also possible. And whichever you if I go back to some of them, like if I want to randomize this, suppose I like this, I can save it over here and I can set the height, set the weight, and then can download the png. That's how simple it is. Like really great. And all of this mesh gradients has a ID. So if you suppose wanna search this, this is the 100 number. And if you have 100 over here, all of the styles are generated here as well. Like whichever ID you will give. Like if you know the ID of some gradient, like if I refresh this site another time and suppose I like this one, so and I need it in another, like another color scheme, so I can simply change the color over here as well, or copy the mesh id and go to any other color scheme and paste it there, and I will get the same thing in another color scheme. So that is also a great thing about it. So that's basically it about this website. I'm gonna use it for my personal project from now on for sure, because this is really great. Whatever, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great tools like this, which is really like small piece of a tech, but it solves a really great problem that we usually have. So this is a great take on it. And basically when you create a glass morphism interface, if you can give this background, like give a mesh gradient background, that looks damn sexy, to be honest. So that's it, that's my take on it. Whatever. So if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. I have already said all of this, right? Whatever. So bye for now, hope you are having a great day. Bye.